Hello guys, Noel here again. On today's episode, I would like to discuss on how to lay the steel bar for the first floor, steel reinforcement details. Right? We have we have 15 centimeter thickness of the slab. Right? Previously, it was point 20 centi or point 2 meter, and because of the value engineering made by my structural engineer of this project. By the way, this project is a two-story apartment building, and we're going to construct now the first floor. So now I'm gonna show you how to check or lay this on site. Right? So more on that after the intro. All right, guys. So welcome back. Now, this is the new design for our slab sent by our structural engineer. So let's just zoom out. Why we cannot zoom out? Right, no problem. Right, it's here. So here, as you can see, he erased the previous detail. It was 0.20 S1. RS1 is two-way slab. That's why it was designed 0.20 thickness, 0.20 meter thickness. So now he redesigned the slab. It came out that it is still safe at 0.15 meter thickness or 150 mm. Right. So I'm gonna show you the slab is one right here. Let's go to our PDF. Let's drag down. Right, so it's very slow. So as you can see here, this is one, meaning two-way slab is one, two-way slab, and we have here C is one. So for this time, we are going to discuss the reinforcement for S1 on how to lay that on site. Right, let's some out. So here it is. Right, this PDF viewer is very slow. All right, so right, so that is our new design. He has given also the alternative schedule, which is still it is 0.15 centimeter or 150 the thickness of the slab, and here we can use the slab reinforcement of 10 mm diameter, space at 0.20 meters center to center. Right, because the previous design it was 12 mm diameter. As you can see, let us blow up here. Right, 12 mm diameter, this is sign of diameter, and then space at 0.25 meter or 250 mm center to center, both ways, meaning to horizontal and vertical. So we will show that on our drawing, and also I will show you the photo of our slab and how it was, uh, it was laid, or how the steel reinforcement was, arranged and laid on the slab, right? So as you can see, let's read this schedule. Right, so here it is. Schedule slab, steel reinforcement. We have bottom bar. So I prefer to use this schedule of the slab reinforcement, but our thickness is 150 mm, and we have bottom bar of the slab 12 mm diameter at 250 mm or 0.25 meter center to center, right, both ways, right, meaning x in y now direction, right. So you have top bar also, so meaning this slab is reinforced with 12 mm diameter top and bottom, right. So as you can see here, we have top bar also 12 mm diameter at 250 mm or 0.25 meter center to center both ways. So how we gonna lay this on site? Okay, let me show you the drawing detail. Let's go down, right, to our typical slab detail. As you can see here, we are here now on slab details. This is section, right? So as you can see, let's go to the bottom. This is the bottom bar. It said that 12 mm diameter at 250 center to center, right? So this is it. This is the bottom bar, right? As you can see here on our design or schedule, right? So this is the bottom bar, and if we go to our, as you can see, the diameter at RSB or reinforcing steel bar at 250 meter on center, right guys? This is bottom bar both ways, meaning this one is y coordinate and x coordinate. If you see the plan, plan view, this slab, right? And we have top bars also, right? As you can see in our schedule here, top bar same 12 mm diameter at 250 mm center to center both ways. Here the remarks, see, two-way slab, right? So here it is. This is our top bar of the slab. See, as you can see, 12 mm diameter. This is diameter reinforcing steel bar at 250 mm on center, right here. As you can see, both ways, meaning this one and this one here, right? So now I'm gonna right, let's go up and let's draw some lines on our slab, right here. Let's reduce. Okay, right here, right here, let's draw reinforcement. Right here it said that 12 mm diameter, space at 250 mm. So it will be laid like this. Why it's not straight? Let's undo. Right, so it will be like this. Draw, insert. Alright, so like that. Let's say, for example, this is the bottom bars. This is the bottom bars space at. So just imagine that this is 250 mm spacing, right? Because I'm just drawing from my hand, right? So just like that. So bottom bar one way, yeah. So it is said in the schedule both ways, so you will also lay like this, right? So that is the other way, right? Okay. All right, so I hope this is clear, guys. Sorry, this is by hand. All right, so that's it. So that's how you're gonna lay your bottom bars, 12 mm diameter, space at 250 mm both ways. Both ways meaning x coordinate and y coordinate, yeah. Or in other terms, x direction and y direction. This is y direction, this is x direction, right? Okay. All right, so that's how you're gonna lay, and the same thing with your top bars, right? You'll make the same, pattern, right? So don't forget also the hook on the beam, as you can see here on our slab section here, right? So there is hook. Okay, and also the bottom bars, it is hook. All right, so you can see our thickness of the slab is 150. All right, so let me show you the actual slab that we did in one of our projects. All right, so let's go to the photo that I prepared for you guys. So this is it. Okay, let's zoom out. All right, so this is the actual laying of your top and bottom reinforcement of a TOE slab, right? As you can see here, you have let's take the bottom bar here. The bottom bar, as you can see, this is the bottom bar, right? Here is the bottom bar, right? So if you can notice, there is a steel chair. You will provide the steel chair to elevate your top bar, as you can see, right? Don't forget the steel chair. Just tell your foreman that in order to elevate the top bars, you have to provide the steel chair. All right, so now we finished the bottom bar, And don't forget the concrete cover of the bottom bar. Make sure that there is 25 mm concrete cover. Tell the foreman to provide concrete cover, and make sure before casting, see to it that the concrete covers are all installed in all the areas, right? And then uh, now we're here at top bar. As you can see, we have Y and X top bars spaced at 250 mm. As you can see, 250, 250, right? Both ways. Again, if I'll say both ways, it is X and Y, right? So this photo is only for the purpose of presentation only. As you can see, there are many sawdust. Uh, it is not yet clean, right? So, right, I hope guys I delivered to you all the important things that we need to cover, right? So what else? Let's go back to our drawing. All right, I think that's it. All right. By the way, before we end this video, the beam, as per the structural engineer, there will be no changes of the reinforcement of the beam, only the size of the beam. I'm going to show you the PDF file which the structural sent to us. Here it is. All right, as you can see here, oh, where it is. As you can see on this new design, for the beam 2 it was 50 centimeter. Now he changed to 20. So this one 20 by 40 now. And B3 also it changed to 40. It would be the same size here in this beam. As you can see also the B2 and B3 he made it the same size of beam, 20 by 40. All right, others are the same. Remember, the change is only the size of the beam but not the reinforcement. All right, just follow the previous or just follow the original details of the reinforcement of the beam. Right, so that's it guys. If you have question and comments, just write down below in the comment box here on this video, and I'm gonna try to answer all your questions. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, thank you for watching.